Hello there and welcome to this brief explanation on what Cutting Kerf is. My name is Michael, one of the support specialists here at LaserJumpStart, and I will be explaining things today. So first off, what is Cutting Kerf? Cutting Kerf refers to your blade thickness or the thickness of the cuts made by the laser. No matter what, the laser is going to be removing material as it cuts, so the Cutting Kerf will be measuring the thickness of those lines or the cuts that it's making in your material. So every material will have a different cutting kerf, and every laser will also cut material differently. So we need to be checking this before we make anything with our new materials in our lasers to make sure that we don't waste material, waste money, or waste time cutting out something that isn't going to work in the long run. So the best way to measure this is to cut out a 1-inch square. So much like this one right here, we've got a 1-inch square. I guess it doesn't necessarily have to be a 1-inch square, but making it 1 inch does simplify things. But in either case, you will cut out this 1-inch square, and whatever it produces, the difference between these two, so the difference between the cutout square as well as the square drawn in Corel Draw, that is our cutting kerf. So you don't have to do any additional math, you just need to pay attention to those two numbers and calculate it with that. So say we've got this 1-inch square, we cut it out with our laser and our new material, and the sides of the box that it produces, or the square, sorry, that it produces is 0.992 inches. Then our cutting kerf, 1 minus 0.992, would be 0.008. That would be our cutting kerf. So it's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to do, and I'll actually go ahead and show you what cutting kerf does in our programs. It's pretty useful. So I've got this 1-inch square still. Let's go ahead and open up Box It. And I already changed this, but let's keep it at 1/100th of an inch, and we'll have a box height of 1, just to keep things simple. Let's click on Go. Alright, and here we go. Here we've got this box that it created. It's going to just be a six-sided box, normal one. And I'm going to zoom in here and show you how these two, notice how they don't quite line up. The sides of them aren't quite the same. But if I move it down to here, they line up again. And that's, again, because of the cutting kerf. It's going to be removing material, and so after it has cut this material to the specified sizes, they will fit together perfectly because of that cutting kerf. Alright, and now we know the important information about cutting kerf. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that it helped you out. Check out the video on your left if you'd like to find out more about the top and bottom features of the Box It program, or check out the video on your right if you'd like to find out more about our Flex It programs or other programs that we have available for purchase. Our website, listed right here, does show you a small portion of the capabilities of those programs, as well as materials that we have that are made specifically for lasers. If you'd like a one-on-one training session with one of our product specialists, our office hours are from 9 to 5:30 Mountain Standard Time, Monday through Friday. This has been LaserJumpStart, helping you make more with your laser.